Hello.
Let's practice English.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Real English Daily.
Hi, friends. We're very happy you're here with us today.
Today's topic is something we all need: healthy habits for a healthy life.
Yes, today you will learn simple English to talk about your daily healthy routine.
We will talk about waking up, eating, exercise, water, and sleep.
Remember the plan. Listen, speak, listen again.
And if you enjoy learning with us, please like, subscribe, and share this lesson.
All right, take a deep breath. Let's start. Healthy habits start in the morning.
Listen to this conversation. Alex, what time do you wake up? I wake up at 6:30 in the morning.
That's early. What do you do after you wake up?
First, I drink a glass of water. Then I stretch for 5 minutes.
That's a great habit. Let's look at the sentences. I wake up at 6:30. I drink water. I stretch.
Repeat after us. I wake up early. I drink water. I stretch. Good job.
Listen again. What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6:30. I drink water and stretch. Now let's talk about breakfast.
Breakfast gives you energy for the day.
Listen, Mia, what do you eat for breakfast?
I eat fruit and toast. Sometimes I eat eggs.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I do, but not too much.
Nice. My quick breakfast is a banana and tea.
Useful sentences. I eat fruit. I eat eggs. I drink tea. I drink coffee.
Repeat with us. I eat a healthy breakfast. I eat fruit. I drink tea. You're doing great.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat fruit and toast. I drink tea.
Exercise is very important for a healthy life. Alex, do you exercise every day?
Yes, I do. I walk every morning for 20 minutes.
That's nice. Do you go to the gym?
No, I don't. I like walking and stretching at home.
Simple exercise is great.
Repeat these sentences. I exercise every day. I walk in the morning. I stretch at home. Good job. Small exercise is better than no exercise.
Do you exercise every day?
I walk for 20 minutes. Another healthy habit is drinking water. Mia, how much water do you drink?
I drink water many times a day. I carry a water bottle.
That's a great habit. Do you drink soft drinks?
No, not often. I drink water or fresh juice. Repeat after us. I drink water every day. I carry a water bottle. I drink less soda. Nice, you're improving already.
Let's talk about daily food. Mia, do you eat fast food every day?
No, I don't. I eat home food.
What do you eat for lunch?
I eat rice, vegetables, and dal.
That sounds healthy. Repeat. I eat healthy food. I eat vegetables. I eat home food. Great work.
Healthy life also means good sleep.
Mia, what time do you sleep?
I sleep at 10:30 at night.
Do you use your phone before sleep?
No, I don't. I read a book or listen to music.
That's a very good habit.
Repeat. I sleep early. I sleep for 7 hours. I don't use my phone at night. Excellent.
Now it's your turn. Answer out loud. What time do you wake up? What do you eat for breakfast? Do you exercise every day? How much water do you drink? What time do you sleep?
Great job. Speaking out loud helps your confidence.
Today we talked about healthy habits in simple English.
Let's review. I wake up early. I drink water.
I eat a healthy breakfast. I exercise every day.
I eat healthy food.
I sleep early.
These are real sentences for daily life.
Remember, small healthy habits make your life better.
And small English practice every day makes your English better.
You're doing amazing. Keep going.
Now we have a question for you.
Tell us in the comments, what is one healthy habit you do every day?
We love reading your answers.
See you next time for more Real English Daily.
Bye, stay healthy and keep practicing.